Are you wondering how you can see your completed tasks in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you two different ways of doing so. Now, the first way is going to be in the project plan view itself. So I'm going to open that up now for our said project. And as you can see here, we've split up the project into various different phases. We've got a to-do list, a doing and a done. And we've got some tasks that are sitting in some of those. Now, just bear in mind that just because this task is sitting in done doesn't mean that we will automatically see it when I do show you the next step for how to see your completed tasks. What you actually need to do in order for it to work is you do need to make it complete. So, or mark it as task complete. So to do that, you basically click on this little icon here, and that's essential to the next step. And I'll show you that in a moment. So I've moved this into the done phase, so we can select this, and you'll see that this then turns into kind of a green, and it kind of goes into kind of a faint as well. That shows you that the task is complete. And if you did choose it by mistake, you can obviously toggle that on or off. But you want to make sure that's toggled on. And then from here, you're basically navigating to the top and you're clicking all tasks and you're changing this to completed task. And then you have the option of seeing all completed tasks, and that's the option we're looking for here. But you can also do it via different time stamps as well. So whether you wanted to just look at completed tasks today, yesterday, or in the last 3 weeks. So if I click all completed tasks, you will see that all of the other tasks have gone, and it only shows the task that has been marked as complete. So if I was to untoggle this, you will soon notice that it's no longer showing. And in order to kind of remove that view, you basically just select this at the top here. I don't know if you saw that, and you're basically clicking all tasks, and that's going to bring up all of the tasks back in the project plan. Now, the second way that I alluded to, the first thing you would need to do is obviously have that toggled. So we have got that kind of toggled there. Then from the home interface, you will see in the top left that the way my home dashboard has been set up, you will see we've got my priorities and we've got upcoming, overdue and completed. Now, because I've set that task as completed, if I then click on this particular tab of this priorities widget, you will see the completed task here. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this, and do consider subscribing to my channel. And if you head over to my channel, you should find a playlist of different Asana training videos which may be of use if you are new to the tool. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.